How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your TikTok application, then go to the inbox section. Go to the chat and now tap and hold the message. After that, you will see this red trash can icon. Select it or tap on it, then you will see two options, delete for me and delete for everyone. If you want to delete message from both sides, you will have to choose delete for everyone option. And now the message will be deleted from both ends. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.